We begin with a developing story at noon. Donald Trump's longtime friend, Roger Stone, ignoring the cameras outside a federal courthouse in Washington, D.C. after pleading not guilty to charges in the special counsel's Russia investigation. Roger Stone is accused of lying to Congress and witness tampering.
He was arrested following an FBI raid last week at his home in Fort Lauderdale. CBS 4's Nicole Killian is live in Washington, D.C. with the latest on what happened in court this morning. Nicole.
Hey, good afternoon. Well, it's a pretty short court hearing, about 12 minutes to be exact. And, you know, Roger Stone is typically outspoken, but in court, he barely said a word as his attorney entered a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Yeah, Roger!
Roger Stone, a longtime friend and advisor to President Trump, arrived at federal court in Washington, D.C. this morning. Stone is charged with 1 count of obstruction of justice, 5 counts of false testimony, and 1 count of witness tampering. But Stone says special counsel Robert Mueller didn't charge him with colluding with Russia for a reason.
There is no Russian collusion. I had no collaboration with WikiLeaks. I'm not charged with conspiracy. Believe me, if they could have made that case, they would have.
Roger Stone's court appearance follows comments by the acting attorney general, who says he's been briefed on the special counsel's probe.
The investigation is I think, close to being completed, and I hope that we can get the report from Director Mueller as soon as possible.
Special counsel Mueller will hand off a final report to the Attorney General when the investigation is complete. It will be up to the AG to determine how much of the report is made public. But a new bipartisan bill in the Senate would require the Department of Justice to release the full report to the public.
What's really important here clearly is the need for transparency and the public's right to know.
Attorney General nominee Bill Barr will only say he'll release what he can based on the law.
Now, before leaving court today, Stone agreed to several conditions set by the judge, including not having any contact with other witnesses in the case. He also can't have a passport. A status hearing has been set for this coming Friday. Live in Washington, Nicole Killian, CBS 4 News.